How to make a Twitter cover image in Affinity Designer. Twitter cover image is your first chance of impressing your audience. Through your cover image, you can promote your latest products or services. It is a great way to self-promote without spending any money on ads. There are several options where you can create cover images. Some are free and some are paid ones. Today we will be exploring one of the paid options, using Affinity Designer to design your cover images. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we don't miss new tutorials. When creating a design with programs like Affinity Designer or Adobe Illustrator, you need to think about a few things before you simply start designing. What type of header are you creating? Is it just to showcase your business or services? Is it to promote your latest products or showcase a special offer? Are you trying to get more followers, or are you aiming to generate more sales? Do you have a color theme in mind? What graphical elements do you need before you start creating? Questions like these are better answered before you start designing.